Wait. Okay, there you go. I'm just gonna put it here. There you go. Okay. I put the patties.
Alright, well, our day hasn't started yet, actually. I guess time pauses.
Yeah, still 9 a.m.
We have to finish the tutorial.
She's not late.
Yeah, we could just, like, prepare everything if you think about it.
There you go.
Do you want to skip the tutorial? Let's skip it.
Let's skip it.
Oh, we can skip it?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you hold T.
Oh.
There you go.
So we can prepare some pre-made patties, not fresh.
No.
I will make the most unfreshest burger of all
time.
time.
And we are good for business.
Okay.
Burger
I
wrap.
happen to run another restaurant as my side gig.
Oh, really? Oh my god.
It went down. Yeah, it went down. We were caught keeping...
It went down?
Yeah, it's okay. We'll get back up again. We just have to finish up with the twit longer to say sorry.
Ooh.
We couldn't cleaning up in the front. Here you go.
Okay.
It's my first day at the SUSMILK, and I'm gonna make it big. You see a customer walking by. Hello, sir. What do you...
He looks like he's a little bit Victorian. He's one
oh, sorry, I didn't mean to. Oh.
Hey.
Okay, here's why.
Can I make coffee?
Why?
Oh, what is that sound?
Ew.
It's milk. We are selling milk.
SUSMILK.
Frothing jug. Oh, coffee container, coffee bean. Oh, this is. Oh. Well, this is fun.
Tell me.
Stop!
That's how you do it. What are you gathering?
I don't know. It's a machine. What's going on?
We don't serve coffee. Coffee's not even on the menu. This is our SUSMILK.
Look at our menu. You know they lie to us.
Try.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, just click the milk one.
Hello? Number 16?
Yeah, I'll serve it. Number 16 coming right up.
16? Okay. Ew.